Assalamu alaikum, my name is Annalena, I'm 20 years old and my bed is 6 months ago.
Acha, mashallah. Why did you accept Ahmadiyya? Why did you accept Ahmadiyya? You have put yourself in trouble.
Sorry, my English is really bad.
So translation kar dein.
She said she is from a Christian family, but she never felt, she always felt that there is something missing. She didn't feel that she really belongs there. And so she was in search. And then 1 year ago, she found out about the Muslim Jamaat. And she started to see on YouTube videos of MTA, Muslim TV. And then she went to the mosque in Münster. And so she came to the Jamaat then, and she felt, she found herself here.
Has she studied some of the Jamaat's literature or not yet?
Bücher online gelesen.
Online?
Yeah. No. Yes, she has read some flyers and she read books online, which are online on the Jamaat website, the books.
Acha. What does she consider as Masih Maud alayhi salam?
Was denken?
Founder of the Ahmadiyya movement. What does she believe? Who is he?
Was glauben Sie, wer ist?
Ist der Messias der Zeit. Der Messias der Zeit.
He's the Messiah of the age. She says he's the Messiah of the age.
Acha. And reformer of the age, huh?
Und der Reformer der Zeit. Glauben Sie das?
And just to revive, he has come to revive the true teaching of Islam.
Und er ist gekommen, um die wahren Lehren des Islam wiederzubeleben.
All of you who are newly convert should try to memorize Surah Fatiha. Have you learned?
Haben Sie schon Surah Fatiha auswendig gelernt? Die erste Surah des
Ja.
Yes, she
mashallah. Okay. Sit down. Sit down.
Jazakallah.